Hello, this is Mike Farley in Fort Worth, Texas. Tonight, let's talk about this project and how it came about. So, this was a hillside. And so what we wanted to do is come up with different levels. So, the upper terrace, the first thing we wanted to do is we wanted to see water when we look out at the backyard. So, right outside of the living room area, we came the spa. So, it's flush here, but it's actually raised up above the pool. Now, we flanked it with both sides with the fire bowls, which really give it a cool look at night. And then we wanted to be able to still see down to the rest of the yard. And so we came in with these steps, which are really wide, which is really nice because people can hang out on. But as you look from inside the house looking down, you can still see the fire feature that's down here. So we wanted a fire pit that we could gather around. So got this set up. It also acts as kind of a handrail for the back retaining wall, 36 inches above the ground. So here we're stepping down 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 inches. So basically we've got right here is the height of your typical, countertop. Okay. So we came in with the turf on the 2 levels. So that way it brought in some greenery and gave it a little bit more of an organic feel. And that way we transitioned into the pool to is the tanning ledge. So we've got the nice ledge here, which is adjacent to the spa. So if people want to sit here and talk to the people in the spa, it's a great place to do that. Came in with a real nice second step here, which is big enough to sit on. And then we had a raised wall on this side. We wanted to come in with a water feature that we can enjoy from the spa and from the tanning ledge, and also from the sitting area. So we came in with some sheer rains, which we talk about those later on. Also along this wall, from a safety standpoint, we have a finger ledge so we have a safe situation. So as we come along here, we've got the stone veneer on the outside, and we have the shell of the pool, so we had to have a double piece of coping as we travel along this side here. So that was better than coming in with real narrow pieces, which were wider. That way it was bullnosed on both sides, which is a detail that we were looking for on this particular project. Now, what happens is this, again, is 30 inches tall. So we stepped down 30 inches and 30 inches. So we basically got a 5-foot drop, and then to the top of the retaining wall, it was almost a 6-foot drop. There was a little bit of cross slope in the yard, so depending on where you were at. Now, we wanted to be able to access up, and so down on this side, we have stairs built in, so we can step up to the pool level itself. Now, nice detail here, the skimmer lid was covered in turf, so it basically disappears. And we step up here to get to the upper spa level. Now in the side yard, it's kind of a little wasted space. We came in with a little fun putting area there. The other thing just to notice is we had some grade change. We wanted to deal with the water and drainage flowing through here, so we just rolled the turf around the corner of the steps and rolled it down this side area here so it would go out to the back. Now again, we had to create some flat spot to put the pool equipment. So what we did is part of the retaining walls that were in here, we just came and built it up so the screen was a little higher. So you can see there's your blower, there's your pump and filter, all fits below this screen, which is actually down lower than the pool itself. So we came in, it's turfed in that area, so it's nice and clean as well. So we've got on the upper terrace, forgot to mention earlier, they wanted to set up a dining area. So we've got table up there. Then we wanted to have a place to hang out in the middle, so we've got the day bed as well. One little detail too is this right here. People are like, what is that? So that's an infloor cleaning valve. So that's how it makes the infloor cleaning system work. It has to be close to the pool in the same elevation. And so it was discussed whether to put a little bit of planting in here, but the overall concept for this backyard was really clean and neat. So they just like put it in the turf, and we'll just tuck it in by the stairs so it's not as noticeable. So that gives you some idea of how the pieces fit together on this particular project. Hopefully that was helpful for you. If it is, pass it on to your friends, and we'll talk to you soon.